Cherish. What?
Bella had a baby.
She had 4.
Where they at?
They in
They in the basement.
Cherish. In the basement.
Cherish. No, they on the bed.
Cherish, so we gotta talk about like this. Like, you can come in your room. I guess I'm allowed. But Cherish, this is so cool.
We saw them.
Y'all saw it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Papa.
No. Papa took us. You know what I mean? And they really, like, oh my God. They were so cute. So what you think she would do? Like, go down there and know that they all the way down where Pennywise lives. You don't want to go down there because I know you scared Pennywise, right? So what are we going to do?
You talk to right there in my spot bed.
Yeah. It's one down in the basement, one in Mooka room.
And
And
then
grandma.
and there's one in the bathroom.
Oh my God, Church, what is we going to do?
Downstairs.
And what bathroom?
The bathroom. I'm not gonna go.
Travis, wait, Travis.
I can think like upstairs. Travis,
1, 2, 3. It was a prank.
She didn't even know I was vlogging. She didn't even know I was vlogging. Yay. I don't know what it is. See you guys in the next Kane video.